So if you're trying to access the Dialogflow console and you navigate to dialogflow.com in your browser, like I've done here, uh, you're now taking to the Google Cloud documentation for Dialogflow. Dialogflow being a service that runs on the Google Cloud platform. This is different. It used to take you directly to a Dialogflow landing page. So this is the new landing page. And you don't want to click console here because that'll take you to the Google Cloud console to manage your platform services. And you can just make sure that you're logged in with your Google Cloud account that you're using with Dialogflow. So your Dialogflow account, just make sure that's what you're signed in with. Then scroll down and you'll see Dialogflow has two products, Dialogflow CX for customer experience and Dialogflow ES. So most people are using Dialogflow ES, the Essentials product. So you would just click this Dialogflow ES link, and then you would then click this blue button to go to the Dialogflow ES console. And then that would then take you into your Dialogflow agents. That's probably a good idea to then bookmark your Dialogflow agents, and then that way you can just click that button and it'll take you directly into the console for the Dialogflow Essentials product. So hopefully that helps. If you're wondering what happens when you go to dialogflow.com, they've changed the landing pages. You may have noticed that already, but in case you haven't, this is what you can do to access your Dialogflow agents.